pinakasalan mo si Aliana Edison dahil mahal mo siya. Iniibig, sinisinta, iniirog, minamahal. Maraming ibig sabihin sa Tagalog. Pero sa English, isa lang ang ibig sabihin nun. In love ka talaga kay Aliana.
The moment I knew that I love you was the time I saw you. I saw you being close to my parents, kapatid, and pinsan. So I realized that was an advantage, knowing that it wouldn't be hard for me to be a family member and partner to you. I can say that you are a blessing in disguise from the time you came to my life.
Edison, John, my habibi, baby, we're finally here. We made it. Nandito na tayo sa part na where I used to say na hindi ko pinaniniwalaan. Dahil hindi naman ako lumaki sa household na may tinatawag na buong pamilya. But you made me change that mindset.
The beauty now unfolding for us to see. Silent miracle.
Foundation of your marriage is love. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. So it always protects, always trust, always hope, always pure spirit.
You're always been a supportive partner and consistently show off being a wife material to me. Ang galing-galing mo magluto, mag-compute ng bills, and ang ganda-ganda mo pa.
You made me believe in marriage. Dahil ngayon I can finally say, meron akong sariling pamilya, masaya at buo.
I promise to always laugh with you and never go to bed, Henry. I promise to comfort you in times of sorrow and always be by your side when all seems far gone. I promise to be your shoulder to cry on whenever you have a bad day. I promise to be your rest in this world full of stress. I promise to love Allison and our future children.
Promise ko sa iyo, ingatan ko kayo ni Allison. Aalagaan at ipagluluto ng masasarap na pagkain basta hindi mo ako magigigil bago magtanghalian o hapunan. Kaya tip ko sa'yo, huwag ka nang umiimik kapag galit ako. Kapag mali ka, mag-sorry ka. Kapag mali ako, mag-sorry ka pa din.
This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden.
Alam mo ba kung paano ko nasabi na ikaw na gusto kong makasama habang buhay? Yun yung tuwing pinapalayas kita pero nakaharang ako sa pinto para di ka makalabas.
I can say that I am the luckiest man alive. I couldn't imagine growing up with anyone else but you. And look at us now. We're living our dream getting married. And I will always cherish this exact moment kasi I always visualize ourselves getting old together while watching Allison reach his dreams.
This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize.
Hindi tayo perfect. Ang dami nating flaws. Ang dami nating away na pinagdaan at pinagdadaanan. Kaya maging matibay tayo together para sa atin at lalong-lalo na para kay Allison.
For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. I promise to love you in all days of my life. My baby, my palagi, my not so fat mermaid.
Eto na, hindi na ako makikringe pag tatawagin kang asawa ko dahil finally totoo na. I love you, mahal na mahal kita.
Is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found.